Welcome to our comparison of two leading security solutions, the ANNKE 3K Lite and the ZOSI H265 Plus Full 1080p system. Today, we will delve into their specifications, features, and what makes each one unique. The ANNKE 3K Lite is a versatile DVR recorder that supports up to 10 channels, making it perfect for those looking to expand their existing security setup. On the other hand, the ZOSI system comes as a complete package with 4 weatherproof cameras, making it an excellent choice for first-time buyers. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of price, functionality, and user experience. When it comes to pricing, the ANNKE 3K Lite is priced at $82, making it a budget-friendly option for those who already have cameras. In contrast, the ZOSI system is priced at $129, which includes 4 1080p cameras, providing a complete security solution right out of the box. While the ANNKE offers a lower entry price, the ZOSI provides greater value for first-time buyers looking for a comprehensive setup. In terms of features, the ANNKE 3K Lite offers a 5-in-1 hybrid DVR that supports various camera types, allowing for maximum flexibility. It also utilizes H.265 plus compression for efficient storage. On the other hand, the ZOSI system includes 4 weatherproof cameras with 80 feet night vision, making it ideal for outdoor monitoring. Both systems feature AI human and vehicle detection, enhancing security by minimizing false alarms. Installation is another critical aspect. The ANNKE 3K Lite requires additional purchases for cameras and hard drives, which can complicate setup for some users. In contrast, the ZOSI system is designed for easy installation with its plug-and-play setup, making it user-friendly for those new to security systems. This ease of installation can be a significant advantage for first-time buyers. In conclusion, both the ANNKE 3K Lite and ZOSI H265 Plus systems have their strengths. The ANNKE is perfect for those looking to upgrade their existing setup with a versatile DVR, while the ZOSI system is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a complete security solution. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.